12,000 pound hub and drum kit for Dexter 12,000 pound axles. This kit comes complete with the hub and drum for 12K axles. The bolt pattern on this hub is 8 on 6.5, and it has the 4.75 hub on it, so you can use 16-inch dual wheels or 17.5-inch dual or super single wheels. You can use the 12.25x5 electric brakes or the hydraulic drum brakes with this. It also comes with the inner and outer bearing, the inner bearing being the 3984 inner bearing and the 28682 outer bearing. It also has the 10-56 oil seal, the 21-36 oil cap, and it also comes with 8 of the 5/8 swivel flange nuts. You can buy this kit online at trailerpartsunlimited.com. Thank you.